Hi guys, welcome to this Plasma system. That's the ISO I used to install it, and it will remain the name number forever and ever. And we just update, we roll. Now I have put a new package on our repository thanks to a message online on Telegram. Somebody asked a question about alacrity being blurred, and I started to take a look because I remember that I did something to Yakuake, right? So the drop down in Plasma is a beautiful thing, and as a result, sudo pacman -s, there is something new, a kwin-scripts-forceblur. Kwin-scripts-forceblur. If you install that one in Plasma, right? Kwin is the dist. Okay, let's go there. Kwin is the window manager from Plasma. That's the name, Kwin. So if you are on Plasma, and if not, join us. You have here elements, window management, kwin-scripts-forceblur, and we can set it to, if we activate it, so click and we activate it, we can say Yakuake, which is not a good idea, but you can say console, for example. Console. Why Yakuake not? Because I'll do that with their own themes. They have their own themes online. Console is there, Termite is there, console where we have URXVT, is there already. Voila, and other terminals, right? You tell to the system what it is. Now, the system does need xprop. How do I know all this? Well, by reading, right? By reading. How do I know these things? Let's have a look. We find it with install. Voila, add remove software. You learn by reading. And it's about blur, right? Blur. Package comes out, this one. Here's the website. You read the README and you learn what it says, etc., etc. Okay, so there's a complete README with it if you go in here, I think, or when you download it. Anyway, go and have a look at what developers tell you to do. And then so the xprop thing must be there. If it's not, guys, sudo pacman -s. Let's do this. User bin xprop. Voila, now you know. The application xprop comes with the package xorg xprop. So if you don't have it, you say sudo pacman -s xorg xprop, because the thing needs to tell what window it is. And with xprop, anything I click, I could click here the simple screen recorder to the right on my other screen, and it tells something to the system. It tells, okay, this is simple screen recorder, that's the icon, and all the information is available. And with that information, it will say, I blur you. Okay? So there's some options here, blur only content of the window. Okay. And apply, don't forget that. Always apply, right? This is Plasma, the apply button. I often forget it, so I guess other people will do too. Major thing, reboot. Reboot. And then you'll have a Termite that's gonna be transparent. I don't think it's gonna work like such. Termite does indeed already have a blurred version on it. Let's try again, right? URXVT. But in the other PC that I've tried it, I had to reboot, but now I don't. This looks a bit strange here, the look of URXVT on Plasma, but that's okay because we're using alacrity, right? Alacrity is there as well. Fine, and that does seem to be blurred. I think so. And this is better. Or did we not add alacrity? Did we forget alacrity? Haha. I thought so. Alacrity. Let's try it. Okay. Let's try. Then click here, or maybe click here. Apply. Click here. apply. I think that would be the best thing to do. And Alacrity is already changed. Awesome. So it's a good tool. For the rest, if you want the Yakowake thing, you might consider exactly the same. I was not successful on my other system, but we could try it again here. Why not? Everything still seems to work until now. Yakowake. So write it in the correct way. Maybe I didn't do this. Apply and go back and apply and F12. Voila, nothing happens. Maybe I need to reboot. But on the other machine, what I've done is say, okay, forget about Yakowake, right? We'll just use these other guys. Apply and apply. Console, we haven't done that one, I think. I don't know. So Control-T, I think it's console. Voila, console as well. Looks to be not transparent at all. So here again, we need to go for switch profile, not switch, edit current profile, appearance, and maybe go for blur background, right? Simple as that. Apply, okay, okay, and that will probably be in effect later on. Just wanted to end with this. Yakowake is beautiful, but there are more things. So edit current profile, we are on Yakowake. Appearance, get new, right? It just saw me change already to something else here, but there is so much more online things that you might like, and that's the fun in Linux, right? Anything can be changed and you can keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Never installed that one. Material Dark KDE. You know, we have the SDM of these guys. Material Dark, is it that one? Arc Dark, I think so. Material Dark. And then we edit things we don't like. Colors can be edited, background transparency can be changed. Background image even. Voila. Just getting the message out there. Have fun. There's a new package, ForceBlur. Maybe you like it. And then you can tweak your system. Cheers.